Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a review of Brothers Bond because it's the guys from the Vampire Diaries, you know, Damon and Stefan. Well, Ian and Paul created a whiskey called Brothers Bond and I brought the merch. I haven't tried the whiskey yet, but I'm going to be reviewing some of the merch that I purchased from their website. And yeah, so let's get started. So the first thing I purchased was this shirt and it says Brothers Bond on it, and it fits very comfortably. It's a little v-neck and I brought it like a size up so it can be like a loose fit, but it's very comfortable. And yeah, so I'm gonna get started with everything else, but the shirt came wrapped up in this and it has their signatures right here, Ian and Paul. And it says time to bond, and that a portion of all their sales, so a portion of all their sales go to support farming. That's what it says here. And yeah, so it came wrapped up in this like cute little thing, and that's what the shirt was. So the first thing I'm going to be opening is this, and it says time to bond. So it opens up like this. More of their signatures. Oh my goodness, hopefully I don't become a hoarder and save all these boxes just because it has their signatures on it, because I would, because I'm a huge fan of the Vampire Diaries. So I brought a shaker and it looks like this. It looks super classy. It says Brothers Bond on it, and you open it like this and you just shake your drinks. I'm gonna look super fancy shaking my drink in this. It's like it upgraded my bar 100%. But yes, my home bar, of course, because I don't own a bar, but I'm gonna look fancy shaking my drinks in my house. Like, you want a drink? Ian and Paul made this with this little paper saying thank you. We hope that the package puts a smile on your face and other nice things. And it has also their signatures. And yes, when I was opening this box, I had the only smile on my face because I got super excited, like then when I saw their signatures I even got more excited, because it's like, if you're such a big fan, it's like I have their autograph now. So the next thing I got was tasting glass and guide, and it opens like this. I like the way these boxes open. It has a little thank you message on it, and when you look inside, oh, this looks fancy. Okay, so this is a little cup. It says Brothers Bond right there. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me take that paper out. It says Brothers Bond right there. It's like a little drinking glass, little cute drinking glass. And inside, they have the tasting guide and recipes, and little notes that you can take in the back. And if you look, it has their signatures again. It has a little picture of them. That's the drink. Brothers Bond whiskey, bourbon whiskey, and it tells you different things in there. The tasting primer, the taste, the feel, them carrying it, like a whole case of it. Oh, this looks delicious. Look at that. And this is another mug that they sell on their site. I just didn't buy that one right now. But yeah, that looks delicious. It's called Bonfire. So I came with this little recipe book. Okay, I also got this one. And this is, I don't even know. Not what I wrote. Oh, these are the cups. I think it comes with two. So the other one is the same thing. But I got these little cups. I never saw anything like this. So I was like, okay, I need to get this. So it says Brothers Bond on it. And it has this like copper look to it. It feels super nice. And it also looks like this. It looks exactly like the shaker, so they kind of match. So yeah, I got two of them. Imagine giving a drink in these. These are so fancy, and they look super nice and classy, and you could just put it up like decoration too if you want to. But they look like this. Oh, I'm so excited. Yeah guys, that was it. That's all that I purchased from the Brothers Bond collection so far. If I do purchase any more, I will let you guys know. Hopefully I got my hands on the whiskey, so I'm able to try it right here, right on camera. And yeah, let me know what you guys like from the things that I have picked so far, or anything from the website that you liked, or anything like that, or if you're just gonna buy it because it's Ian and Paul, because like that's what I went for, but the items are actually really good. Let me know your opinion on what you like, what you don't like, if you tried it and if you liked it. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember guys, soar like a butterfly. So yeah, that was it for my video for today. I loved all my purchases. I feel like my home bar is gonna look like super super nice. And yeah, and I can say it was part to you and part vibe. So yeah, so thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know which one was your favorite, or if you purchased it, or if you even tried the whiskey at all, and let me know what your thoughts are, if you like what it tastes like. If I get my hands on it, I will try it on camera. But I'm super excited with everything. Everything was like super nice, and it wasn't that expensive at all. So I will get your hands on it now.